Hi everyone! So for those who don't know me yet, I'm Juliana Di Carpio and welcome to my channel. Ayan, in this channel guys, I'm uploading shorts, videos, everyday videos, and sometimes I even shared my experience on how to apply a tourist visa here in Australia. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you guys how to apply a tourist visa or a DIY tourist visa. So, lahat ng mga visa ko is do it yourself lang and hindi ako nag-hire ng agent to do it for me. So, ako lang talaga para makatipid tayo ng pera, char. So, anyways, how to apply a tourist visa, you really need guys to make an account or sign up sa imigov.au.com. So, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna leave the link down below para naman sigurado na sa tamang website kayo mapupunta. Ayan, right? So, after nyo gumawa ng account doon sa imigov.au is, you need to choose what kind of visa ba talaga yung gusto nyong i-apply. Ayan, you need to decide kung mag-tourist visa kayo or visitor visa, student visa, family stream visas, yung mga ganun, working visa, ayan. So, andyan yan lahat guys. So, once you decided once you decided what kind of visa that you are willing to apply, ayan, so make sure you gather all the documents na kailangan. So, in every section naman talaga guys, meron talaga nakalagay dyan kung ano yung mga kailangan nila, and you need to make sure that you're gonna provide those documents na hinihingi nila. Ayan. And after that guys, is you need to be true and answer all those things or questions ayan na tinatanong nila, and you have to be so careful sa pag-answer ng mga tanong kasi pwede nang dahil doon sa mga tanong na yun na nasagot mo is pwede dahil doon is ma-decline ka or ma-deny yung application mo. Okay, so after that guys is kapag natapos mo na yung lahat, na-upload mo na lahat ng mga documents doon, is you need to submit it. Online lang to lahat guys. Submit it and pay the visa fee. Ayan. So, dahil ako sa Australian tourist visa is nasa 100, yung previous na visa ko is 145 lang, and yung bago ngayon is nasa 150 something na. So, nag-increase na sila. So, pwede kayo magbayad through PayPal, ayan, or gamitin nyo yung credit card nyo, ganon. So, once na okay na lahat guys is nasabit nyo na, wait for the email. Ayan, so mag-i-email yan sa immigration if kailangan ba kung kailangan ka ng biometrics or kailangan mong mag-medical. Ayan. So, pag-uusapan natin yung about sa mga medical and biometrics on the next video. Ayun. So, after nun, kung ni-request ka ni immigration na magpa-biometrics or magpa-medical, is kailangan mo yung gawin. So, you have like 25 days to submit it. Pero mas maigi talaga guys na kapag nag-request is gawin nyo agad. Magpa-appointment kayo agad for the biometrics and magpa-appointment kayo agad for the medical. Ayan. Pag-uusapan din natin yung biometrics and kung paano mag-appointment ng biometrics and mag-appointment sa medical in the next video, okay? Ayan. So, after nun guys, kapag sa biometrics, sila na yung nagsasubmit doon sa application mo. May access sila yun doon. Sila na magsasubmit nun, and usually naman kapag sa biometrics talaga is kapag pumunta ka doon, one day lang isasubmit nila yun agad. And sa medical naman, it took like 5 working days. Ayan. Pero yung sa akin naman is parang 4 days lang, and nasubmit naman talaga nila. And kapag wala ka namang any problem na ganon, is masasubmit. Kapag may problem ka sa check-up or sa medical, may pababalikin ka nila, and you really need to clear that out na okay, yung ganon. So, yun, once na-submit na yun lahat, and wait for your for the result 3 days, 4 days, ayun. ako, nag-wait lang ako after nang nasubmit na okay na yung mga medical ko. Nag-wait lang ako for 2 days and then lumabas na yung visa, yung result ng application ko. And ayun. So yun na guys, and after that, everything, ayun. So, lilipat na kayo and mag-immigration na. So, pag-usapan natin yun on the next video. So, yun lang guys, and I really hope that this video really help you guys at sa mga first timer dyan na gusto mag-DIY application guys, go for it. Kasi it's really a good experience at may matutunan talaga kayo. And super ganda sa feeling kapag na-approve and alam mo ikaw ang gumawa nun, di ba? Super proud, nakaka-proud yun. Anyways guys, good luck to you guys. And ayun, gusto ko lang talaga mag-share ng ganito kasi isa lang din ako before na first time mag-apply and I have no even one idea how to do it. Ayun, so buti na lang meron YouTube and laki tulong talaga ng YouTube guys. Honestly. Ayun, so yun, search ng search. So ngayon na may mga idea or may knowledge na ako about it, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna share it to you guys. Ayun, dahil dito lang din ako sa YouTube tumakbo nung time na wala akong alam. So anyways guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. And don't forget to comment down below guys kung may mga question kayo dyan sa baba, and gagawin natin yan ng video and answer your questions. Okay? So again guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want more video like this. Thank you guys. Gracias. Mwah.